Ancient Chinese eye trick, 3 minutes to model eyes. What if I told you that the secret to lifted, youthful eyes, the kind that make your whole face look alive again, doesn't come from a syringe or a scalpel, but from an ancient Chinese temple practice over 1,000 years old, before Botox, before lasers, before plastic surgery even existed. Chinese empresses and royal healers used precise touch, breathing, and herbal compresses to wake up the tiny muscles that lift the eyes. They believed sagging eyelids weren't just cosmetic, they were signs of blocked energy, poor blood flow, and emotional stagnation. Modern science is now catching up. Studies on acupressure and microcirculation reveal these ancient techniques actually increase collagen production and muscle tone under the eyes without cutting a single cell. The same movements that once kept imperial courtesans radiant are now being rediscovered in clinics from Beijing to Beverly Hills. So if you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, "My eyes don't sparkle like they used to," this may be the missing link. Because the truth is, you can't buy timeless beauty in a jar, but you can learn it from centuries of wisdom that refuse to fade. Today, we're uncovering the forgotten art of the natural eye lift, the Chinese way. 1. The ancient eye massage that lifts without surgery. For thousands of years, the Chinese have believed that beauty begins where energy flows freely. In the Huangdi Neijing, one of the oldest medical texts, it says, "Where qi flows, there is life." When that flow slows from stress, poor sleep, or time, the eyes are the first to show it. The lids droop, the under-eye bags swell, the sparkle fades. But the ancient Chinese didn't fight these signs with knives or needles. They restored flow. Through gentle massage, acupressure, and jade tools, they kept the muscles strong, the skin supple, and the eyes bright. Today, science confirms what they already knew. Improving circulation increases collagen, reduces inflammation, and helps muscles remember their natural tone. Let's bring that ancient wisdom into your own hands. This 5-minute daily ritual blends traditional acupressure with modern understanding of how blood, lymph, and muscle work together to lift the eyes naturally. Step 1. Prepare the skin. Wash your hands and face, then apply a small amount of facial oil or serum. This prevents friction and protects the delicate eye area. Sit comfortably and relax your shoulders. Step 2. Activate circulation acupressure. Place your index fingers on the inner corners of your eyes, near the bridge of your nose, the bright eyes point in Chinese medicine. Press gently for 5 seconds, then release. Move to the point just under your eyes and repeat. These pressure points stimulate blood flow and help drain lymphatic fluid, reducing puffiness and warming up the muscles for the massage to come. Step 3. Lift the outer eye massage. Starting at the outer corner of your eye, glide your fingertips or a small jade tool upward along the curve of your brow, ending at your temple. Repeat this movement 8 to 10 times on each side. This motion strengthens the orbicularis muscles, the tiny bands that support your eyelids, and helps restore the upward tension that time gradually weakens. Step 4. Smooth and drain gua sha motion. Using the small end of a jade roller or the flat edge of a gua sha tool, start at the inner corner under your eye and glide outward toward your temple. Keep the pressure light, repeating 5 to 8 times. This follows your body's natural lymph flow, clearing built-up fluid and toxins that make the eyes look swollen or tired. Step 5. Awaken the upper lid. Place your index and middle fingers at the start of your eyebrows. Gently press upward, hold for 3 seconds, then release. Repeat 5 times. This helps re-engage the frontalis and brow elevator muscles, the same muscles surgeons tighten during a lift, but you're retraining them naturally, using motion and breath. Step 6. Seal the energy. To finish, use the jade roller or your fingertips to make slow upward passes from your cheekbone to your temple. then lightly tap around the eyes for 15 seconds. This stimulates microcirculation and leaves a natural brightness behind. Do this once or twice a day, ideally in the evening when your body is in repair mode. Start with 2 minutes and gradually extend to 5. You'll feel warmth and relaxation right away, a sign of improved blood flow, but the deeper results come with consistency. Over time, this simple practice reduces puffiness, lifts drooping lids, and restores tone to the skin. The cool jade calms inflammation, your hands guide energy and circulation, your breath ties it all together. You're not just lifting your eyes, you're reawakening the life within them. No surgery, no chemicals, just presence, patience, and the timeless wisdom of touch. 2. Nourish the eyes from within. Diet and lifestyle for firm, bright eyes. Your first tool for firmer eyes isn't in a cream jar, it's on your plate. Collagen-rich foods such as salmon, tofu, and bone broth help rebuild the skin's structure and elasticity. Vitamin C from citrus fruits and bell peppers supports collagen production and protects against free radicals that break down the skin. Omega-3 fatty acids from chia seeds, flaxseed, or fatty fish reduce inflammation and improve circulation, both crucial for keeping the eye area smooth and toned. These nutrients strengthen the connective tissue beneath your eyes, giving the skin more resilience against sagging. But what you avoid matters just as much. Refined sugar, alcohol, and late-night snacking cause rapid fluctuations in blood sugar and fluid retention, both of which make puffiness worse. Chronic dehydration and excess salt also slow circulation, leaving the skin dull and loose. When you cut back on these triggers, your body can return to its natural rhythm of repair, and your eyes begin to regain their clarity. Sleep, however, is the ultimate natural lift. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormones that rebuild collagen and restore muscle tone. Research shows that people who sleep fewer than 6 hours a night have significantly higher under-eye puffiness and darker circles. Try to sleep on your back with your head slightly elevated to prevent fluid from pooling beneath the eyes. And treat sleep like skincare, consistent, nightly, non-negotiable. Movement completes the cycle. A 30-minute daily walk boosts blood flow, oxygenates your tissues, and helps drain excess fluid from the face. You can also practice gentle eye exercises, alternate focusing on something far away, then something near for a few minutes. This simple routine strengthens the tiny muscles that control your gaze and prevents stiffness that often comes with screen fatigue. Traditional Chinese medicine ties all these habits together through one principle: balance. When yin and yang, rest and activity, nourishment and release are in harmony, the body thrives. Stress disrupts that balance by flooding your system with cortisol, which breaks down collagen and accelerates visible aging around the eyes. Deep breathing, slow stretching, and brief moments of stillness each day help restore that balance and protect your skin from within. 3. Avoiding common traps. Smart adjustments for ages 40-70. At 40, 50, or 70, wisdom matters more than speed. The skin around your eyes has lived through decades of expression, sunlight, and fatigue. It deserves care, not harsh shortcuts. Quick fixes that promise instant lift often cause more harm than help. Avoid overusing eye creams, vibrating devices, or adhesive lifting tapes unless you truly understand how they work. The skin here is thinner than anywhere else on your face. Overstimulation can break tiny capillaries, cause redness, or stretch the tissue you're trying to firm. If you're managing heart disease, diabetes, or poor circulation, it's best to skip surgical lifts altogether. Healing slows with age, and recovery carries higher risks. Natural techniques may take longer, but they strengthen rather than strain your body. For those with pronounced puffiness or deep folds, don't rush into aggressive routines. Begin with 1 to 2 minutes a day of gentle massage or jade rolling. Gradually increase to 5 as your skin adjusts. Always use light pressure and stop immediately if you feel pain, heat, or swelling. If the problem persists, seek advice from a dermatologist or a trusted traditional Chinese medicine practitioner before continuing. Finally, think holistically. Persistent eye swelling or drooping can sometimes signal thyroid issues, vitamin deficiencies, or chronic inflammation. Regular health checkups keep you ahead of hidden causes that no cream or tool can fix. True beauty doesn't come from surgery or quick fixes. It comes from understanding your body and working with it every day. These ancient techniques remind us that lifting your eyes is really about lifting your energy, your confidence, and your connection to yourself. If this message inspired you, share it with someone who could use a little renewal today. And don't forget to subscribe so we can keep exploring timeless ways to stay healthy, vibrant, and beautifully alive together.